Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is the order of rotational symmetry in the following figure is, and we have given one figure here. A shape has a rotational symmetry when it still looks the same after some rotation, and how many times it matches as we go around once is called its order. So the given figure has 4 order of rotational symmetry. Hence, the given figure has 4 order of rotational symmetry.